It's safe to say that accounting software makes life a whole lot easier for small business owners and accountants. The ability to automate invoicing, reporting, billing, and account reconciliation alone will save anyone a ton of time and money. So today, my focus is to help you identify and choose the right accounting software for you. This is based on my personal experience as a small business owner and from my observations after testing and comparing dozens of bookkeeping solutions. Alright, so with that quick intro out the way, let's go ahead and dive into my top 5 accounting software and find the best option for your small business. Now, before we dive in, I want to emphasize that I've created this comparison guide based on the perspective of a small business owner and not from the perspective of an accountant, as I run multiple small businesses and am far from being an accountant. Alright, launching into our first accounting software that I want to share today, and in no particular order, we have Xero. Now, Xero is one of my favorite all-in-one cloud-based accounting solutions for small and medium-sized businesses. With over 4.4 million users in over 180 countries, this is a globally recognized and popular business accounting solution in the small business space. I love how Xero has a clean and intuitive user interface and design, making it easy to use for non-technical users. For example, you can simply customize the dashboard widgets the way that you like based on daily snapshot reporting, which is important to you. It's also easy to locate and generate the reports that you're after. Now, what makes Xero stand out from other bookkeeping and accounting software from my perspective is the essential integrations and extensive app marketplace. This allows users to easily connect Xero to other important tools that they use daily, like their CRM, project management, and booking tools, as well as their website platform like WordPress, Shopify, Wix, and others. This allows for a seamless and automatic flow of transaction data from external tools that you use into Xero, eliminating manual data entry activities. Also, the integrations with over 21,000 financial institutions means that more than likely you can connect your bank feeds with Xero for semi-automatic account reconciliation. Xero has a simple process for this, saving you a ton of time. Other powerful tools that you can leverage inside Xero that make it such a fantastic and centralized bookkeeping solution include automatic invoicing and payment capturing options for effectively capturing payments in a quick and timely manner. Also, automatic billing, purchase orders, dynamic reporting, product service, payroll, and project management tools are also accessible tools and features inside of Xero. If we take a quick look at pricing, prices do vary slightly per region. Also, Xero prices are not cheap, as this is a premium product. Businesses pay per month, and something that small business owners may find frustrating is the increasing subscription price, which seems to happen too often in my opinion. Xero is a powerful option for small and medium enterprise that will grow with your team and business. If you're interested in learning more, I'll add a complete Xero tutorial down below in the description to help you get started with Xero. Next on my list is QuickBooks. Similar to Xero, this is a popular cloud-based accounting solution for small businesses with over 7.7 million customers globally. QuickBooks is designed for all shapes and sizes of businesses. From my perspective, QuickBooks is sleek and relatively intuitive to navigate, however can easily be quite overwhelming for those just looking for accounting basics. Similar to Xero, QuickBooks has hundreds of integrations with third-party apps. However, it's important to note the difference between Xero and QuickBooks. With QuickBooks integrations, you will need to use a third-party connector app like Zapier or Make in order to connect to your third-party apps. On the other hand, Xero's marketplace has more built-in app integrations. Now, just quickly, if you're interested in a full Xero versus QuickBooks comparison guide, I'll link the one I created down below in the description. Both QuickBooks and Xero are very similar. However, this linked guide will give you a detailed and clear comparison between the two. Now, jumping into QuickBooks tools and feature offerings, you can easily track income and expenses, send and automate invoices and quotes, automate your account reconciliation, and access detailed reporting and insights. QuickBooks also offers tools outside of their bookkeeping-centric platform, like inventory management, email marketing, payment solutions, and more as part of their greater Intuit ecosystem. A unique QuickBooks feature that I love is the ability to send invoices via WhatsApp. This is powerful in countries that predominantly rely on WhatsApp for communication, in particular businesses in Southeast Asia. Let's now look at the pricing that you need to consider. Each plan is a subscription and unfortunately tends to increase often, similar to Xero's pricing. Also, a feature setback for small businesses is if you're after the ability to send automatic invoices and set up recurring payments, you will need to upgrade to the relatively expensive Plus plan, which is unaffordable for most new and micro businesses. In my opinion, QuickBooks is ideal for medium to large enterprises or complex small business accounting needs. Now, third on my list of my top 5 accounting software for small businesses is Sheetify Bookkeeping. This is actually a simple yet impactful accounting solution that I created for small businesses. Sheetify Bookkeeping is built with Google Sheets and AppScript and ideal for small business owners that have a paid or free Google account. This is an alternative one-time payment bookkeeping solution for small and micro business owners that hate paying for increasing subscriptions and just need something simple without all the fluff. Sheetify Bookkeeping is easy to use, especially if you've had any level of experience with spreadsheets. This Google Sheets bookkeeping template allows you to simply track and manage income and expenses, access 7 dynamic dashboards, manage accounting tasks, generate invoices and quotes, and more. In terms of built-in automations and integrations, these are limited. However, you can use third-party tools like Zapier or Make to connect your third-party tools. We do have a CRM and project management toolkit that also connects with our Sheetify bookkeeping toolkit. This is by using our free Google Workspace add-on that we created called Sheetify Flow. I'll add more details about this down below in the description. Also, we are launching an AI receipt scanner and expense tracker app soon, which is free for Sheetify bookkeeping users, allowing you to quickly scan and upload receipts to Sheetify Bookkeeping and Google Drive. If you're interested in learning more about this app, I'll link details down below in the description. Depending on when you watch this video, it may already be available to download on Android and iOS. In terms of pricing for Sheetify Bookkeeping, it is just a one-time payment with no subscription. This gives you lifetime access and all future updates. Sheetify Bookkeeping is ideal for micro and small business owners looking for a simple accounting solution without the fluff. I'll add a full Sheetify bookkeeping tutorial down below in the description if you want to learn more about this accounting tool that I created. Hey guys, just quickly, did you know that over 90% of you that enjoy our free educational content have not yet subscribed? It would mean a lot to me if you drop a comment or hit subscribe if you love what I'm creating. This helps us grow the channel and motivates me to create bigger and more impactful tutorials for you to consume for free. Okay, so with that happy note, thank you in advance, and let's get back to the video. Next on my list is Zoho Books. This is part of Zoho's huge business ecosystem of tools and apps. It has an easy to use interface that is similar to QuickBooks. However, I do think Zoho Books is slightly more intuitive. Again, similar to QuickBooks and Xero, you can easily connect bank accounts for automatic transaction reconciliation. Unfortunately, Zoho Books does not have as many financial institute connection options as Xero and QuickBooks. They do have third-party connections, but not as many native connections. One thing I like about using Zoho Bookkeeping is the seamless integration between other Zoho apps, allowing for seamless data flow between tools like Zoho Inventory, Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, and more. If we jump into standout tools and features, again, you have the standard bookkeeping functionality like we mentioned with Xero and QuickBooks. However, with Zoho Books, you have impactful modules that can improve the way that you use certain systems, like automatically sending quotes, then allowing customers to accept these quotes, and automatically capturing payments. You also have access to other complementary tools and features like payroll, time tracking, and inventory. Pricing for Zoho Books is positioned to be more affordable than Xero and QuickBooks, offering a completely free plan and fairly reasonable pricing as you grow or as you require more extensive features. I would recommend Zoho Books for those that already use Zoho or are thinking about adopting other Zoho products into their business. Last but not least, I want to touch on FreshBooks. This accounting software has had over 30 million small businesses using this platform. Similar to other bookkeeping software we have talked about today, FreshBooks is a cloud-based solution with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. From my perspective, FreshBooks is on par with Xero in terms of its ease of use and adoption. FreshBooks is specifically geared towards more service-based businesses and freelancers. In terms of apps and integrations, FreshBooks has fewer native app integrations compared to Xero and QuickBooks. However, similar to Sheetify and Zoho, you can connect Zapier to third-party tools. Also, FreshBooks is part of the FreshWorks ecosystem and therefore seamlessly functions with their other products, similar to Zoho Books and the Zoho ecosystem. FreshBooks has all the accounting tools and fundamentals that you need. Standout features like the built-in time tracker is vital for service-based businesses. The project management built-in tool is also very handy and integrates with your accounting activity. Alright, let's jump into pricing. FreshBooks pricing is similar to Xero and QuickBooks with relatively high monthly subscriptions. Also, you are limited on the Lite and Plus plan in terms of the invoices you can send based on the number of customers that you have. This in turn pushes small business owners into the premium plan. This can be quite expensive for new and micro businesses. I would personally recommend FreshBooks to high-ticket service-based businesses with a large customer base. For the lower plan that FreshBooks has to offer, this can be ideal for small micro freelancers with a small client list. And there we have it, guys. Those are my top 5 accounting and bookkeeping solutions for small businesses. My hope is that this video helped you navigate through my top options to find the best solution for you. And there we have it, guys. That is it for my top 5 accounting software for small businesses. Now, if you have any questions about this comparative guide, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this guide all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.